Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp disappearing messages, pro tips step by step clearly. Open WhatsApp on your device. Navigate to the chat where you want to enable disappearing messages. Tap on the contact's name or group title at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the disappearing messages option. Select it to open the disappearing messages settings. Choose the option to turn on disappearing messages. You may see a prompt explaining what disappearing messages are. Read through the information and confirm your selection. Once enabled, messages sent in this chat will disappear after 7 days. To turn off disappearing messages, repeat the process and select the option to turn it off. Keep in mind that this feature only applies to messages sent after it has been activated. If either party takes a screenshot, that message may still be saved in their gallery. Be aware that disappearing messages settings must be enabled individually for each chat. You can also access this feature for group chats by following the same steps. As the admin of a group chat, you have the authority to enable or disable this setting for everyone. Remember that disappearing messages don't affect media files sent within the chat. Media files will remain in the chat until manually deleted by the users. For some users, disappearing messages can help maintain privacy and reduce clutter. Consider informing your contacts about the use of this feature. This ensures everyone is aware and on the same page regarding message visibility. Now you're all set to use WhatsApp disappearing messages like a pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.